Number 4 from the Chapter 4.8 review. We're going to go ahead and FOIL this. And here's how foiling works in case you're not there yet. First times first, x times x is x squared. Outside times outside is 10x. Inside times inside is 5x. Notice these are like terms. Combine them. 10x plus 5x is 15x. Last times last, 5 times 10 is 50. Final answer. Number 5. First times first, x squared. Outside, negative 2x. Inside, 9x. Combine like terms. 7x. Last times last, negative 18. Final answer. 6. First times first, x squared. Outside, negative 3x. Inside, negative 1x. Combine like terms. Negative 4x. Last times last, positive 3. Final answer. Number 7. First times first, 2x squared. Outside, negative 6x. Inside, 1x. Combine like terms. Negative 5x. Last times last, negative 3. Final answer. By the way, in any of these problems, go to your calculator, go to y1, graph this. It should make a parabola. Go to y2, make it bold. We've done that many times this year. Graph this. If they make the same graph, you did it right. You can feel confident. That will be especially helpful in number 8, where it's sort of a monster problem. In 8, I mentioned this to the class today, to the kids that were here. If we label these guys A, B, and C, and we label these 3, 1, 2, and 3, we basically need to make sure that all of the letters get multiplied by all of the numbers. For example, we need to make sure that A gets multiplied by 1, and A gets multiplied by 2, and A gets multiplied by 3. And move on to B multiplied by 1, and B multiplied by 2, and B multiplied by 3, and do the same with C. So you might notice, it's a giant problem, we have 3 terms times 3 terms. You should end up with 9 terms. So here we go. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th power. X squared times 6x is 6x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. Next, 3x, we're moving on. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x, 6x, 18 squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. Move to the C term. Negative 4 times x squared is negative squared. Negative 4 times 6x, negative 24x. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. I have terms, but that's not my final answer. It's time to combine any like terms that we have. X to the 4th does not have a like term, so it remains the same. 6x cubed is a like term with 3x cubed. We can combine them to make positive 9x cubed. X squared is a like term with 18 squared, negative 4x squared. They combine to make positive 15x squared. Cross them out when you're done with them so you know that you don't have to double count them. Finally, 3x is a like term with negative 24x, making negative 21x and the constant negative 4. Final answer. You can graph that in y1. You can graph the original problem in y2. If they produce the same graph, you did it right.